Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with a center O and radius 3.5 cm. If OD equal to 2 cm, find the area of the quadrant OACB and the shaded region. So here is given the figure, the quadrant OACB with the radius 3.5 cm and there is one triangle BOD. We need to find out the area of the quadrant and the shaded region. Here it is given radius of the quadrant 3.5 cm. Area of the quadrant equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. That is equal to 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. That is equal to 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. That is equal to 77 by 8 centimeter square. The second question is area of the shaded region. It is clear from the figure. Area of shaded region is area of this quadrant minus area of this triangle. Area of quadrant we have found already. Then area of triangle, the formula is we know half into base into height. Here the base is 3.5 cm and height is 2 cm. So area of shaded region equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle BOD, that is equal to 77 by 8 minus half into OB into OD, that is equal to 77 by 8 minus half into 3.5 into 2, that is equal to 77 by 8 minus 7 by 2. By cross multiplying we get that is equal to 49 by 8 centimeter square. In the figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Use pi equal to 3.14. So here is given the figure, there is the quadrant OPBQ and a square OABC. Then we need to find out the area of the shaded region. It is clear from the figure, area of shaded region equal to area of this quadrant minus area of the square. Here it is given side of the square is 20 centimeter. So area of square equal to side into side, 20 into 20 equal to 400 centimeter square. Now we need to find out the area of the quadrant. To find the area of the quadrant, we have to find out what is the radius. It is not given in the question. You see the figure. Here this OB is the radius of this quadrant. We can find out OB by considering the right triangle OAB. Here in this right triangle OAB, OB is the hypotenuse, OA is the base and AB is the height. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem in triangle OAB. In triangle OAB, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. That is equal to 20 square plus 20 square. Hypotenuse square equal to 400 plus 400, that is equal to 800. Hypotenuse equal to root of 800. Do the prime factorization. We will get hypotenuse equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. Here the hypotenuse is the radius of the quadrant. So we can write radius of the quadrant is 20 root 2 centimeter. Area of the quadrant equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. That is equal to 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. That is equal to 628 centimeter square. Area of the shaded region equal to area of the quadrant minus area of the square. That is equal to 628 minus 400. That is equal to 228 centimeter square. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.